In a parallelogram, blank angles are congruent and blank angles are supplementary. Let's look at our words. Adjacent means next to. Congruent means the same as, same size, same shape. Supplementary means two angles that add together to be 180 degrees. And opposite means across from. These are the words that are in the choices. These are also the words that are in the problem. So let's reason this out. A is not going to be correct because the second part of the problem would be supplementary angles are supplementary. While this is true, it is redundant to say so. Complementary angles are congruent is not always true, only if the two angles are 45 degrees. 45 and 45 would make complementary angles that are congruent. Look at the next answer choice. Adjacent angles are congruent. Are the angles that are next to each other in the parallelogram congruent? You have one that is acute and one that is obtuse, so this is incorrect. Look at the next answer choice. Opposite angles are congruent. Are opposite angles in the parallelogram congruent? Yes, they are. They're either acute to acute angles that are congruent or to obtuse angles that are congruent. Let's look at the second half of the problem. Adjacent angles are supplementary. If 180 degrees and 180 degrees is 360 and a quadrilateral has 360 degrees, this is true. 180 degrees and 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is supplementary. So opposite angles are congruent and adjacent angles are supplementary. Let's look at the very last answer choices. Supplementary angles are congruent. Not necessarily. The only way that supplementary angles are congruent is if they're each 90 degrees. Complementary angles or supplementary should have told you that this answer choice was not appropriate. So the answer choice to the problem is C.